Okay, so here we go. Question 7, test 4, module 1. So again, we have an overall structure. So في الstructure question, notice دايما أي shift يا ولاد. شوفوا كده shift. What is he talking about first? And then shift, حصل change. He was talking about something and then he changed it لحاجة تانية. Notice the shift. You will get the structure. Okay? Okay, question 7. The following text from Walt Whitman's 1860 poem, Callan's 24. So again, we have a poem. Okay, the new SAT, the digital SAT, في دلوقتي poems, so you have to read a lot of poems to get it. تقدر تفهم هو بيقول إيه. I hear it is charged against me, okay, that I seek to destroy institutions. So charged against me means accuse me. I hear people accusing me. You're accusing me that I want to destroy institutions. You know, the word institution means governments, schools, religion, you know, any organized system is called institutions. انتوا بتتهموني ان انا عايز ادمر المؤسسات, the government. But here I go. So he started it with his dismissing the accusation. Okay, he's dismissing, but I'm neither for nor against institutions. Okay, I'm neutral. أنا ولا مع ولا ضد institutions. Your government, whatever institutions هو قصده إيه بيها. I think he seeks government, maybe, I don't know, but I think it's government, maybe. I'm not with the government. I'm not against the institutions. I'm neutral. أنا ولا عايز لا destroy ولا حاجة. Okay, what indeed have I in common with them? He's distancing himself. بيبعد نفسه عن accusation. He's distancing himself. Okay, what indeed have I in common with them? What do I share with the institution? في بيني وبينها مفيش similarity between me and the institutions. Okay, and or what with the destruction of them? So I wouldn't destroy them. I wouldn't destroy them. Only I wish to establish. شايفين هنا بقى ايه بقى كان في negativity for بيبعد نفسه accusation, then establish like build, مش destruction. That's build. Here we have a shift. This is a shift. Okay, this is a shift. So it's up there, it's a destruction. Now it's a destruction. I didn't accuse me of destroying the establishment. I wouldn't do that. Or the institutions, I wouldn't do that. What I want really to establish, to build, to create إيه بقى? In the Manhattan or Manhattan, it's a place, I think it's a place in New York, and in every city of these states, in land and seaboard, and in the fields and woods, and above every keel ship, little or large, that dents the water. Okay, I'd like to build in these places. I'd like to build. هو ما قالش لسه عايز يبني, but I'd like to build everywhere. In ships, I'd like to build in fields, in woods, everywhere I'd like to build. I'd like to build something, إيه هو مش عارفين, without edifice like buildings. What I like to build has no buildings. اللي أنا عايز أبنيه ملوش structure, مش مكان يتبنى. No rules, ملوش rule, no trustees or any argument. The institution of dear love of comrades. This is what he really wanted to build. He wanted to build love. He wanted to build love. No political system. He doesn't want to destroy any political system. He doesn't want to build a political system, but he wanted to buy emotional, human connection, love between people, dear love of comrades. Okay, dear love of comrades. He wanted the deep friendship. He wanted deep brotherhood between people. عايز الناس, ده اللي أنا ببني الحب ما بين الناس. This is actually what he wanted to build. Okay, it's a great poem by great poet. Okay, and I recommend ان حضراتكم لازم تقروا poetry عشان تقدروا تفهموا ايه these kinds of poems. Okay, choice A. The speaker questions. Okay, and I told you questions. هو مش بيسأل. Okay, he doubts. Okay, in questions an increasingly prevalent يعني spread. Okay, widespread attitude. Then summarizes his worldview. يعني he doesn't talk about a common belief هنا. Attitude. هو مش بيتكلم على common, حاجة prevalent, حاجة common, حاجة it's everywhere. He doubted. and then or general أو رأيه ال world view بتاعه يعني that's not mentioned خالص. Okay, the speaker regrets like feel sorry. His isolation from others. I think that يعني من البداية كده isolation, he didn't say that I'm alone. Actually he didn't say I'm alone. ما قالش ده. هو بدأها I didn't those who accuse me I didn't want to destroy anything, and then he shifted. I wanted that and that and that. I wanted to build love. He didn't say in هو كان alone, that's not mentioned. Okay, in C the speaker concedes يا ولاد يعني admits his personal shortcomings يعني weakness. That's weakness. بيعترف بضعفه. Don't you think in هو he didn't admit any faults or anything? Okay, so I wouldn't continue. Okay, D the speaker addresses. Okay, the speaker addresses a criticism. Criticism. I like this word. Leveled against him. He addresses the الناس اللي انتقدته بيكلمهم. Okay, then announces his grand ambition. طموحه بقى, what he wanted. What's his grand ambition? اللي هو that people he wanted to build love. Okay, of comrades. Okay, love between people. So I think in question D is obvious واضح جدا. I think if you have any question, please don't forget to ask, to leave a comment. Okay, share the video, please share it if you like it. If you find any benefit, share it. Okay, and any question, please don't hesitate. اكتب لي أي سؤال عندك. Okay, and like the video, and let's go to the next question. Thank you.